Hello, could you introduce yourself and your organisation, please?
Hi, I'm Andy and this is Grant. We are from Street League. We're an employability organisation that help kids get back into work or into further education. My job as the progressions coordinator is to get them back into a positive destination. Most of our referrals will come from Skills Development Scotland or they will come from the Job Centre. So we've got good relationships. Our programmes are run within North Ayrshire and spread out all around. My job though is to try and get them, as I said, back into that education basis or within the job. I'll take them through interview techniques, we'll do money management, communication, team building, exercises, and it's really just to make them kind of feel at home and relaxed when they're in the environment. Grant's side of it is that he'll do the sports side and he'll kind of talk a wee bit about that.
Yeah, so the real unique thing about Street League is that we tie football in with obviously employability workshops. So perhaps Andy may be working on a communication workshop, we'll then look at that on the sports field, or it could be as simple as teamwork. And hopefully the idea of that is that they can take all the skills they learn within football and then go and apply them into the working world and make them more valuable to an employer.
Who do you think gets the most benefit? Who qualifies to work with you? Is there a particular level of need or circumstance that people will get referred to?
We'll kind of work with anybody, all different ranges, and it will just be on a one-by-one basis on what the job centres or Skills Development Scotland are looking for. We run two different types of programmes. So the first one is a stage 2, which is within the pipeline of EF, and that is more on personal development. And then the second one is a stage 3, which is more for kids who are ready for work. Most of the kids who are on the stage 2 programme will either move internally or they'll go into further education at college or university.
Okay.
And obviously in the stage 3 programme it's more tailored towards companies that we're working with. So we're working with Premier Tyres, which is a local mechanics company. We're working with Highland Meats, which is meat distribution. And then we obviously work in retail as well with Tesco, Game, etc. So it's a vast range of different opportunities for the kids.
So if somebody's watching this, how do they get in contact with you? You said that referrals come from other organisations. If somebody is watching this and wants to find out some more information, are there resources out there? Do you have a website?
Yeah, so we're very kind of active on Facebook. If they search for the name Anthony Brad on Facebook, it's also got the Street League logo. They can contact us through direct message and we'll get back to them as quick as we can. Also on the website there is contact details for myself. If they want to drop me a message, text message, give me a phone call, then we'll happily get back to them as quick as we can.
Great. Oh, just one thing, you mentioned that you are based, or you've got a base in Kilwinning, is that right, North Ayrshire?
No, so we are based in North Ayrshire, but we're at Vineborough Community Centre. We will do our morning classes between 9 till 12, and then we'll have our break for 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're quite lucky to have the circuit, which is the new indoor football pitch. So the kids will go there for their activities in the afternoon. Okay.
If somebody's watching this from South Ayrshire, do they still go through the website and look for contacts in the website?
So they can. The main contact for South Ayrshire is Scott Hindmarsh. He basically does a similar job for me, just in a different region. But also his details will be on the main Street League website.
Anything else you want to tell us before we finish?
No, it's obviously the same all through Ayrshire, so we've also got a programme in East Ayrshire as well. Ryan takes the contact for that, he's the coach and he does with the recruitment. So no, other than that, it's just if you're looking for getting back into work or trying to better your education, then get in touch with us.
Even if it's just about even somebody wanting to play a game of football or get fit, get a healthy lifestyle, every Wednesday the circuit, it's open to MD between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock just to come along, maybe meet some new guys and just play a game of football as well.
Great. Well, thanks very much for sharing that information, guys.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
No problem.